In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix too many requests in Microsoft account. So if you're having this kind of error or something went wrong and the application made too many requests, you can actually head over and then fix this yourself. So currently right now, I'm on the Chrome browser. So what you can do is you can click on these three dots where you actually trying to log in into your Microsoft. Then from in there, scroll down and click on settings. Now, once you're in your settings, head over and search in here for cache. Click on this delete browsing data. Then make sure that this cache images and files is checked and click on this delete data. So if you don't want to do that, another option that you can do is just click right here or click on these three dots and open right here a new incognito window. Now into this window, you can proceed to Microsoft. Let's try to search in here for Microsoft and proceed to log in using this. So you can log in into an incognito tab in order to get the refresh data. Another option that you can do is you can head over and then try to wait. So it's actually optimal to wait 24 hours and you can actually try again for that. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.